Hello, mathematicians. Have you ever wondered, how long does something take? Washing your hands, packing your school bag, or reading a page. Estimating time means making a smart guess about how long an activity will take. We use seconds and minutes to talk about time. Let's practice estimating. Look at these activities: washing your hands, packing your bag, and reading one short page. Before you start, ask yourself, will this take 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes? Now, share your estimate using time language. You might say, I estimate it will take about 1 minute. When we estimate, we use formal units of time, like minutes or seconds.
Our estimates are different. Mine is 2 minutes.
And mine is 30 seconds.
And mine is 1 minute.
Different people may give different estimates. And that's okay. An estimate doesn't need to be exact. It just needs to make sense. Estimating time helps us plan, stay organized, and manage our day better. Try estimating the time for your next activity. If you liked this, hit like and subscribe for more math tips.
Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!